Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the new method on how to create direct download links with your Google Drive files, docs, spreadsheets, presentations, and sometimes even your folders. And what I mean by new method, if you've been watching the channel for a while, you know that I have posted videos before on how to create direct download links with Google Drive files. However, recently this year, actually in October of 2021, Google released an update patch for their Google Drive, which was called a security patch. This security patch blocked out almost all methods of creating direct download links for files. Some of the direct download link generators, like for instance this one right here, the Google Drive direct download link generator, as it's more commonly known, works with some files, but most of the files it does not work with. So for instance, files that it does work with are images, for example. So I have an image right here. All you have to do is go to Get Link and make sure that it has anyone with a link has access to it. Copy the link over and you can paste this directly into the link generator and it'll come up with a link for you that you can then copy and paste and share, and that will give you a direct download. However, with most files, this method does not work. So I'm just going to reset this by refreshing it, and I'm going to go into, say, an Excel document, which we have right here, and I'm going to get the link, same thing as before, anyone with a link, copy, and we're going to paste this directly in. And as you can see that it has a link and it says it's valid, but if you go and try it out, it comes up with a not found error 404. So while these kind of work, they are not reliable anymore. A method that is still reliable, however, but now a word from our sponsors. In actuality, that was a complete lie. We don't have any sponsors, but what we do have is a very underwhelming amount of people that have subscribed to us. In fact, we have less than 1% of our viewership that has subscribed to us. What does that mean? Well, that means that we do have quality content because we have a vast majority of people actually watching our content, but we have such few subscribers that we don't get compensated for it. If we had 100% subscription to our channel, we would have over 200,000 subscribers at this point today. So go ahead and subscribe to us. We don't post often, but when we do, we make sure that it's quality stuff that you can actually use. Go ahead, subscribe to us. Thank you all very much. We'll get right back to the video. Is GDrive Linker, and we have just recently patched it to be able to work with the new version of Google Drive security system. So GDrive Linker, there is a free version, which I have right here. It is the trial version, and it actually does everything that the free versions online, the link generators, do and more. As I'm about ready to show you, this will work with any file that you put into it. So if I get the link here for an Excel document, copy this over, I can go right back over to GDrive Linker, paste it in, and it's checking the file. Going online, offline, it's getting the name of it. The name is copy test file for export, which it is, copy test file export. And if you select it, I can go ahead and get test link. And as you can see, we now have a direct download link for that file. I can also do that with the images as well. So if I just get link with this, copy that image over, go right back in here, paste it in. You can see that now we have another link. I can test that link out and we have an image. Okay, so on the screen I have the activated version of GDrive Linker. Now the difference between the activated version and the trial version will only allow you to have 3 active download links available at a time. And then after that, you'll need to reset the program to be able to add more to it. There is also the added benefit to upload folders as well. So if you have a folder full of files, you can just upload that single link into it. For instance, if I go ahead and I get link with this file and copy that link, go right into GDrive Linker and paste this in. And it's going to go through the process of organizing the files into a file tree so you can accurately see them and things like that. But it will list all of the files inside of that folder. There is a certain limit to how many files it will list inside of a folder. I believe it is 100, maybe 150 files at a time. But as you can see, we have all different kinds of files here with the folders and file trees and the different images inside of it and so on and so forth. Okay, so what do you do with these files once you get them? Well, you can either copy them individually by right-clicking and going to copy or copy roll. You can also copy all of them, or you can even export all of it into a CSV file. So if I have all my data or all of my links available that I want to share, I can just export this into, say, a CSV file. It's asking me if I would like to open it. I go ahead and say yes, and it's going to open up for me right here, and I have all of my links available. Hi, I'm Kyle, owner and operator of Great Technical. Thank you all so much for making it at this point in the video, and if you are here, go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot, and it lets me know that the content I'm making is stuff that you all like to see. Go ahead, leave us a comment as well. Let me know if there's anything that you would like to see in the future, or if you have any future updates that you would like to have included in our products in the future. I would also like to say that being a company owner, I am very proud to be able to support businesses and students. I am also extremely proud to be able to support content creators. So if you have a content platform, you make videos, or if you have a blog and you would like to reuse some of our content, or if you would like to review some of our products, go ahead and send me an email. My email is right here, support@greattechnical.com. Get in contact with me. We can see what we can get worked out. And until next time, thank you all very much. Have a great rest of your day.